What happens when we focus on the negative side of life instead of the positive? We miss out on seeing the breadth of opportunities that would otherwise enable us to develop and strengthen our lives. The result? We end up journeying on a downward spiral, feeling that no matter what we do, we simply won't win. The solution? To start seeing everything in your life as an opportunity for growth. Every encounter, every incident, and even every challenge. Are you constantly focusing on the negative side of life? Are you feeling the world's against you? Are you fed up of this constant battle? Begin making the transformation today. What's in it for you? Discover everything in your life is an opportunity for growth. Learn how challenges are the proving ground for future success. Realize every encounter you have has something from which you can learn. By adopting the habit of seeing only the negative side of life, we risk standing still in our lives or even going backwards. We also find ourselves becoming increasingly resistant to change. In a strange way, this leads us towards attracting more of the same, just so we can feed our ego with another dose of "I knew it wouldn't work," or "I told you the world's against me," or "what else can go wrong?" In short, our life becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy of condemnation. The way to defeat this is to seek out the opportunities and lessons, and to act on them accordingly. How do we achieve this? Simple. We ask ourselves questions like, what can I learn from this situation? What will I achieve by overcoming this? And what do I need to do differently next time? By adopting this more positive outlook, we naturally seek ways to learn and move forward. In turn, we discover how the world isn't against us. It's merely the way we perceive it. Result: we're the ones back in the driving seat. And subsequently, we're the ones determining to take out the positives and use them constructively in our lives. Take a look back at some recent encounters, incidents, and challenges that you choose not to see as opportunities. What could you have learned on each occasion? What opportunities were there for the taking? What will you do differently next time? For the next 30 days, put these determinations into action. Using this same mindset, apply it in other areas of your life too. Over time, this will become second nature, and you'll start seeking opportunities in everything you do. If things don't work out at first, do not be disheartened. Instead, review what you've learned and redetermine again.